So question 4. The point k, 8 minus 5 lies on the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 6y minus 23 equals 0. So, and then we're asked, find the equation of the tangent to the circle at k, which is this line here. So we've been asked to find the equation of this line. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to find the center of this circle. Then we'll need to find the gradient between the center and the edge of the radius. Then we'll take the perpendicular gradient of this line, and then using that point there, we'll sub everything in to get our final answer. So off we go. So first write out the expression of x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 6y minus 23 equals 0. So we know that 2g equals minus 12, and we know that 2f equals 6. So g is just going to equal minus 6, and f is just going to equal minus 3. Minus 3 there. Okay, so and our center is just going to be minus g minus f. So our center is equal to 6, 3. So we even write that in over here. 6, 3. Okay, so now that we've got this point, we can now work out the gradient of the radius. So let's work that out. So radius is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So our points are 6, 3 and 8 minus 5. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have minus 5 minus 3 all over 8 minus 6, which is equal to minus 8 over 2, which is equal to minus 4. Okay, and now we need to use our relationships of perpendicular gradients. So we know that m1 times m2 is going to be negative 1. So if we take the inverse of this and change the sign, we're going to have m nu. It's going to be equal to positive 1 over 4. Okay, so now that we have all this information, we can finally start to put together the equation of the tangent. So we do y minus b equals m x minus a. And we're going to make sure we use this point here, because that is the point that lies on this line. So y minus 5 equals 1 over 4 x minus a, which is 8. So this then becomes y plus 5 equals x over 4 plus 8 divided by 4 is, no, 2, that's not plus, that's minus. Okay, so this then becomes y equals x over 4 minus 7. It becomes 4y equals x minus 28. Right, and that's your final answer there. So where'd you get the marks from? Well, you get 1 mark for finding the center, then you get another mark for finding the gradient, and then you get another mark for finding the new gradient, and then you get your final mark for your equation of the line.